trading NASDAQ for years by only using the volume profile and one candlestick. And this simple strategy still makes me consistent profits. This strategy is 100% mechanical and so stupid simple that you don't even need to know anything about the volume profile. Because in this video, I will teach you everything step by step so you can execute on the strategy today. So as promised, guys, this is a 3-step process and let's start with step 1 right away. So you're gonna get to your desk at 9:30 and you will draw the volume profile, and we're gonna keep it very simple. We only need 3 levels, which is the value area high, the point of control, and the value area low. This is where 70% of volume is transacted, and the point of control is the most important level because that's where the most orders got executed. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's go to step 2 right away now. Guys, we put in a lot of effort into these videos, so please make sure you hit like and subscribe. Let's get back to the video. So step 2 is to not do anything, and don't worry, I will show you guys how to draw the volume profile correctly in the live market later on. So now step 2, 10 a.m. Why 10 a.m? Because we will not take any trades before 10 a.m. Before 10 a.m. there can be a lot of noise, you know, there can be a lot of whipsaw price action, lows, highs getting taken out, but we will trade after that. So 10 a.m. is when we will look for entries, and any manipulation candle that develops from the point of control and the value area high and the value area low we will take. What is a manipulation candle? A manipulation candle is any candle that takes out the low and then closes above the previous candle's high. In this case, this is a bullish example, bearish example, vice versa. But don't worry, I developed a manipulation candle indicator completely for free for you guys. Once you utilize that indicator, you will be able to spot them very easily, and I will show you that also on the chart. And you will even get alerts with that indicator, so you don't even have to watch the charts actively. So now let's go to step 3. Step 3 is the actual entry, guys. So once the manipulation candle develops and we get the alert from the manipulation candle indicator, we will jump right into that trade. So in this case, we will get into a buy, stop loss below, entries right here after the manipulation candle closure, and we will target a minimum of 1 to 2 always. That's the minimum risk reward that we will be looking for. Very simple. So once again, value area low, point of control, value area high. Any manipulation candle from these levels, we will take that trade after 10 a.m. So right here, guys, you can already see we have some manipulation candles, and this is of course thanks to the manipulation candle indicator. Now what is important is we will not trade any manipulation candle. So first of all, let me give you guys an idea on which time frames we will trade. So we'll have the M3, M5, and the M10. So these 3 time frames are the only ones important for us for the strategy, for us to look for the manipulation candles and execute on them. And now we will draw our volume profile, and what's important is, guys, that you draw that volume profile from the market open. So first of all, where do we find that volume profile? First of all, you're gonna go to projection and then go right here, fixed range volume profile. This is a free tool from TradingView. You don't need to pay anything for that. So we'll take it from here and then drag it all the way right here. And right here now, the next candle open will be 9:30. And now, most important thing is we will click on it and then press on extend right. This volume profile now will keep on developing. As you guys already know, we will not execute any trades before 10 a.m. So we have the market open now here 9:30, but it's not interesting for us. What's interesting is to identify the levels. So this is always the value area high, this is the point of control, and this is the value area low. So we have to really look at these levels because we will only take trades from these levels. You can see we have a manipulation candle right here from the point of control. As I said, guys, 10 a.m. is the key time window for us. So now I will just play the candles till 10 a.m. Look at that, we have a massive drop, and now we are interested in this market. So ideally we want to short this market because we see we have a clear downtrend right here, but we will play the candles until we see a reaction here. You guys can see the volume profile always needs to load up a little bit, so be a bit patient, but this is obviously the replay mode, so that's why you have that. So right here now we are almost at 2 levels. So we have the point of control, we have the value area high, but still there is no entry for us yet. I will play another candle, nothing just yet. So we literally had a full pullback with the 10 a.m. 1 hour candle now, and right there, what is that candle, guys? You guys can tell me. I think it's the red candle, and the red candle means this is a manipulation candle. Let's do some quick revision right here. We took out the high, we took out the low, and that means this is a clear manipulation candle for us. So we will not hesitate at all, and we will take this short all the way. Like I said, the minimum is always a 1 to 2, but technically you could trade to the value area low. You just have to be careful because the value area low will go up with time depending on how price moves. So look at that beautiful drop here. Even another manipulation candle here on the candles right here. So look at that. Let's go back one candle so I can show you guys that. So look, value area low was right here, but now it is right here. So that's why you always have to be really careful with targeting the value area low or the value area high, because they will move. So right here now, once we move it, the take profit, it gets hit, and it's a 4 hour, a little bit more than a 4 hour crazy trade. Absolutely no drawdown almost. So very simple trade. And again, guys, we avoided this whole nonsense right here. So 1 hour of price dropping and then pulling back all the way. We avoided all of that just by being patient and waiting for 10 a.m. So let's do a quick recap before we go to the next trade. Step 1, we drew the volume profile, and then we waited for a manipulation candle from one of the 3 levels. We got it from the value area high. Step 3, we took the trade, put the take profit, done. And what I would recommend for you guys for the beginning, stick to the 1 to 2, guys. The 1 to 2s will get hit really easy, and it will help you to build confidence for the strategy. And just for you to know, this trade, for example, was on the 3-minute time frame on NQ. So right here again, 9:30 with NQ. And the first thing we will do once we get to the charts, we will draw volume profile. So let's go all the way to the daily open right here, guys. We will pick out the volume profile right here, and then we will go to the daily open and draw it all the way right here. And not forget, always do extend right. After that, we will just wait for the market to develop, because we are not interested in anything before 10 a.m. right? So we'll play one more candle and one more. Perfect. Now we are at 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. comes in, and the first candle is actually a manipulation candle right away. But let's check if this trade is even valid, because we have to check the steps, right? So we have the value area low right here, we have the point of control here, and the value area high here. So we do have a manipulation candle right here. But what about this one? Why is this not an entry? Why? Because we don't trade before 10 a.m. guys, and exactly because of this huge candle but no follow through, no move. Why? Because a lot of times before 10 a.m. those moves are only to entice people and just trap out buyers and sellers. So we will take this trade 10 a.m. again. This is a trade on the 3-minute time frame. We will take this short right here, put the stop loss right above here, and aim for a minimum of 1 to 2. And this is also again the value area low. So we will play the candles right here. Let's see, we got very close to the stop loss, didn't hit the stop loss, and boom, right here we even took out the New York Stock Exchange open low, which is right here, and the 1 to 2 also got hit. Let's do a quick recap right here now, guys. First of all, when we come to the charts, what do? We draw the volume profile. We did that, and then we wait for 10 a.m. We waited for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. comes in, we get a 3-minute manipulation closure, and boom, we take the short, we hit the take profit. Simple as that. You only have to follow 3 simple steps. And guys, if you realize you don't even have to know much about the volume profile with the strategy, because it's so stupid simple, you only have to focus on the 3 levels: value area high, value area low, and the point of control. So guys, as promised, MC Indicator is completely for free. Link is in the description. You only have to give your email and you will be able to get the manipulation candle, and you will have these lovely candles on your charts. So let's start right away. We have 9:30 here, and again, first step, we will draw out the volume profile. Take out the volume profile from the daily open here, pull it all the way to 9:30, and always make sure to check this, that it's extend to right mode. Look at that. We technically have an entry already, you may think, but it's not, because this manipulation candle is before 10 a.m. So always keep the second step in mind. We need 10 a.m. guys. We can't trade before 10 a.m. with this strategy. So I'm gonna play the candles all the way till 10 a.m. because before that I'm not interested in taking any trades. So right here it's already 10 a.m. So now I'm interested, you know. We have a bearish trend, so ideally I would like to position myself with the sells. So let's see, we're gonna play another candle here. Oh wow, look at that. Is this a manipulation candle here? Apparently not. So let's play a little bit more the candles. Right there, beautiful. Look at that candle, guys. So this is actually great because now we have an example from the point of control. You guys remember this red line is the point of control, guys. So we have a 3-minute manipulation candle again. This time it's from the point of control, so we will not hesitate since it's also with the trend. An easy trade for us. We will take the short right here, target a minimum of 1 to 2. That's always the minimum. If you don't have an obvious target, we will always go for the minimum of 1 to 2. Wow, look at that again, very close to to the stop loss, but we survive, and boom. Simple as that, guys. Very, very simple trade with only 3 steps. Let's do a quick recap of this trade. And as you guys realize, this strategy is 100% mechanical, because what did we do? We come to the charts 9:30, we draw out the volume profile, we wait for the manipulation candle after 10 a.m. Whichever level we get the manipulation candle from, we'll take the short or long and put the take profit to a minimum of 1 to 2, and that's it. Doesn't matter if it's buys, sells, it doesn't matter, guys. It will always be the same because it's a 100% mechanical strategy. Obviously, for you guys to take the most advantage from this strategy, you need the manipulation candle indicator, and it's completely for free. It will give you the manipulation candle closures with alerts, so you don't even have to check the charts while this whole range is happening here, and you have it like a chop city. You just wait and put your alerts, and then once this candle develops and closes, you will get the alert and you will execute that trade very easily, you know. And once you go to trading, you will also realize that thousands of students are already using this indicator completely for free, guys. And if you want to learn how to execute this in the real market, that's exactly what we do inside the manipulation model mentorship. We run weekly calls to keep your entries, stops, and targets clean, and you'll have a private one-on-one chat with me and my brother, so you can get feedback anytime. You'll also get access to my daily market outlooks and community of traders who all follow the same system and hold each other accountable. If you're interested, the link is below. And guys, make sure to use the MC indicator also in the backtest, because it will work perfectly fine. As you guys saw, I was in a replay mode and it was working perfectly fine. Make sure to let me know your stats, backtest it. If you're really serious about it, then comment, let me see your results. If you want to take advantage of the manipulation candle indicator, there's a link in the description. Make sure to grab it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.